Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Bommer BB5000-350-651 ball bearing 5 knuckle, full mortise, standard weight, steel base, 3.5 hinge, and polished chrome. So let's dissect the part number. BB5000. BB means that it stands for ball bearing. On a standard weight hinge like this, you're going to have 2 ball bearing packets. 5000 stands for the fact that this is a full mortise 5 knuckle hinge from Bommer. You can see from the swag on the hinge leaves there that the hinge is to be mortised to the door and frame, flush when the door is closed. Well, just leaf is to be mortised. The 350 part of the part number stands for the fact that this is a 3.5 inch tall. The first dimension on a hinge like this is always the height. 3.5 tall. Doesn't matter because it's square basically. 3.5 wide. The 651 means that this is in a polished chrome finish and a steel base. So it's a steel hinge. It's a magnet. Includes screws and a complementary finish. All wood screws and all metal screws on this. Square corner. It is available in radius corners as well on a special order with an upcharge. So it's a full mortise 5 knuckle hinge. Okay, it is standard weight, and on a 3.5 inch hinge, that means that it's going to be 123 thousandths thick. Okay, yeah, 123. I was verifying that on the template, and there's a link, and that link to the cut sheet or template is below this video. It's 123 thousandths thick, which is a standard for a commercial grade hinge. Removable pin with a button tip, so you can get this in multiple different security options. Should you have a door that is an exterior door that swings out, you'd probably want to add a non-removable pin sort of feature to this, and that's available on the website as well. Button tip, looks like a button that you'd have on a coat if you use your imagination. You can get acorn tip, urn tip, steeple tip, decorative tips to go along with that, and those are relatively common. That link to the cut sheet also shows the location of the template pattern. The location of these screw holes is considered template pattern or standard, but they're drawn out there. If you're uncomfortable knowing whether or not this is matching what your door and frame are prepped for, refer to that cut sheet or that template, and it'll tell you all about that. Can be mixed and matched with single-acting spring-loaded hinges by Bommer because the axis of pivoting is compatible. The distance, you know, the axis of pivoting would be compatible with a 3.5 inch Bommer standard duty commercial spring hinge. Obviously available in several different finishes by Bommer. And the last thing I'd like to tell you, or like to point out to you, is the logo, the Bommer logo, made in USA. A fact that Bommer is quite proud of, as am I to represent them. If you have any questions on the Bommer BB5000-350, available in several different sizes as well, -651, full mortise, polished chrome hinge, or any other Bommer product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.